What's up everybody, I am Jasprit Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. A new year means a new trend and new opportunities to make money. And like with everything else, as the change happens, you have three options. You can sit there and watch the change happen, you can complain about the changes, or you can capitalize on the changes by learning about what's going on. So in this video, I want to go over 5 ways you can make more money in 2019 based on what's going on right now. First, pay off your debts. And this time, it's for reasons that you might not have thought about. So normally I talk about avoiding consumer debt so you can stop making your banker richer and so you can use your money to build your own wealth. But this time, things are a little bit different. The Federal Reserve increased interest rates multiple times in 2018, and they have already announced that they plan to increase interest rates again a few more times in 2019. That means if you have any sort of variable interest debt, like credit card debt or home equity lines of credit or any variable interest auto loans, you can expect your monthly payments to go up. So take advantage of the lower payments while you have them and pay off your debts before it starts costing you a whole lot more. Second, take advantage of internet shopping. When I say things like that, take advantage of internet shopping, most people assume I mean go to Amazon and shop for a new water bottle. But we don't think like the majority of people here. We think different. That's why we're the Minority Mindset. E-commerce has grown so much over the past decade, but there's still so much more room to grow, and you can take advantage of this shift of shopping in stores to shopping online by either selling your own products on the internet or by selling other people's products online. It might sound complicated, but there are a ton of resources out there to help you start or grow your own e-commerce store, and you can take products and sell them on Amazon to the whole world. Now, just don't expect to become a millionaire tomorrow, because starting and growing any successful business takes a lot of hard work. Third, watch the markets. 2018 was an interesting year for investors. First, the markets came down, and then the markets shot up and broke record highs, and then they came down again, and then it went back up, and then there was a whole bunch of choppiness and volatility. There has been a lot of uncertainty with investors because of potential trade wars and tariffs, rising interest rates, and political office changes. When a market hits record highs, that's a good indicator to think about selling, especially if you made a lot of money over the past few years, because nothing can go up forever. Nobody can perfectly time the market. We don't know if the market's gonna go up, down, or sideways, but you need to know what's going on in the economy so you can best manage your money. And if you do want to learn more about investing and how to manage your money and how to grow your money and just financial literacy in general, we have an ebook on money and investing that you can read for free when you sign up for our Money and Finance newsletter. And you can do that by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. Fourth, change your income. The United States has a new tax plan which rewards you for not following the traditional path. Now, I do have to tell you, although I am a licensed attorney, I am not your attorney, so you should speak to an attorney and a tax professional in your area to understand what is best for your personal financial situation. There are now essentially 4 different categories of income according to a new tax code. You have earned income, which is the income you get from your job, like where you go to work and you get paid. You have passive income and portfolio income. Both of these are different investment incomes. And you have business income, which is money you make when you own your own business. The amount of money you make is really kind of irrelevant. What really matters is how much money you get to keep after paying your taxes. This earned income, which is the income you get from going to work every single day, comes with the highest tax rates that our tax code has to offer. Now, these rates are lower than before, but they are still the highest out of the 4 categories of income. All money is not created equal. If you make your money from your job, you will keep the least amount of money in your pocket. Why pay more if you don't have to? We talk about how to create income from investing in our ebook, which is in the description below. And the second thing you should be doing is starting a business. And if you don't know how or don't know what to do, don't worry. We'll talk about it with number 5. Number 5, Build a digital brand. The world is moving digital, and you have to take advantage of this digital shift by creating your own digital brand, whether you're going to school, whether you're working a job, or whether you're unemployed. There are so many ways to take advantage of this digital revolution. You can start an e-commerce store like we talked about, you can start a blog, you can start a YouTube channel, you can start building your social media presence, or you can start a podcast. Your internet presence is the new real estate of the digital world, which is still very undeveloped. The way internet businesses work in a nutshell is the more traffic and the more visitors you can attract onto your website or your brand or your social media pages, the more money you can make through advertising or selling your own products. Your niche doesn't matter. There's an audience for everything. You just have to figure out who your audience is. The tough part, unlike what everybody says, it takes a lot of hard work and it takes a lot of consistency, especially in the beginning, because you're getting no results. But if you stick with it, you can own your own slice of the internet real estate. What are some other things people can do to earn more money this year than last year? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when our new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.